What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. You see, I got the TK's Garage merch on today, and this is probably going to be a double upload. I'm probably going to post this on both channels, just because, you know, trying to get the word out, trying to push TK's Garage for this kind of content that we're going to be doing moving forward. So today's video is a military lot walk around. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to ask, what is that? Well, I'll tell you right after this intro.
For the longest time, whoa, for the longest.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Represent, got it represent.
All right, guys, so this is the beautiful, wonderful Nellis Air Force Base. They do lots of training and stuff out here with different militaries, different branches, all kinds of cool stuff out here. And they also have what those that are in or have served in the military call a lemon lot. That is a lot that active duty and retired military personnel put their cars up for sale on. Sometimes there's RVs, sometimes there's cars. There's all different types of stuff. Sometimes there's deals. Sometimes there's people that are out of their rabbit ass mind thinking they're going to get what they're going to get. But what we're going to do here is we're going to bust a left. We're going to go by the Thunderbirds Museum here in a minute. This is where they used to have a bunch of the 810s and stuff parked outside. And I see they got the F-15s up flying around today, so we might even see some jets in the air while we're out here today. But we'll come back here in a minute when we get closer over to the Thunderbirds, and then we'll go look at some cars. All right, so we are approaching the area. This is kind of where they do like F-22 training, things of that nature. You'll see the F-22 on the pole right there, the little model. And then we're up at the Thunderbirds Museum. If you're ever out here in the Las Vegas area, I highly recommend to come out, get a pass at Pass and ID. They do have dates that they do open the Thunderbirds Museum to the general public. It's kind of an escorted thing, being it's a secure military installation, but you definitely would have a blast checking out the home of the Thunderbirds, man. Super, 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 super dope. That F-16 Falcon right there, boy. Whoo! All right, guys, and with that, we are here, and there are a couple of very special vehicles available for sale out here today. One of them being that SS Impala. I'm about to be all over that. Oh, alrighty. Well, guys, I think you know what we're going to start with today, right? And I apologize for the wind in advance. It's kind of windy out here at the Air Force Base. Look at this perfect looking Chevy Impala. Let me find out it's a 96. Oh my God. I mean, the wheels, everything on this thing is immaculate. Like, this is a dream car. Like, oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Like, they don't make cars like this anymore, guys. They just don't. You can't get one of these today. You just can't. It's not even a thing. You know what I'm saying? It's not even a thing. So this is an Impala SS. It is a 96. They want less than 65,000 original miles. The AC compressor is out. They want 20,000 or best offer. Now, I'm gonna be honest. So you guys saw that, follow me on Instagram. I actually just got one of these recently for super cheap. And that's because it was dogged out. I gotta redo all this stuff. This car is such low miles, such a great example. You just can't find these like this anymore, guys. You can't. You absolutely can't find these anymore. What a beautiful car. Well, let me know what you guys think about this. I kind of feel like everything else we're gonna see out here is a letdown. All right, guys, so that gets us over here to this TRD off-road Tacoma. Now, depending on the year, will determine whether or not it's actually valuable. This is a 2020. So I think this is right before they went to dog shit, right? I think this is right before they went to crap. This one is very, very clean. I will give it that. It is very, very, very clean. Let's see what they're asking for it. Looks like they want $35,000. It has 41,000 miles, rear locker, iBox Pro lift kit, Falcon Wild Peaks. Garage kept, serious inquiries only. Not bad. Gets us to another American muscle car. Look at this Corvette. Absolutely beautiful. I don't see any cracks or anything in the fiberglass yet. Wheels look good. Tires look good. I don't see any curb rash. They got the original window sticker in the back. Crazy that a fully loaded Corvette back in the day was $45,000, right? What is it now? 140, 130? Less than 30,000 miles. They want 21 grand for this car. So this car has less than 31,000 miles on it. What a beautiful car. What do you guys think about this? 2001 Vette for sale, less than 30K miles. Like, that is a really good example. That thing has not been driven a lot at all. And I mean at all. What a beautiful car. Car segment, we finish up with this F150, which probably has been repainted. It looks way too clean. Looks like it's got brand new headlights and everything. 1994. It has the 4.9 liter 6-cylinder. Excuse me. Whew. 2 gas tanks. AC is super cold. No smog. Huh. $8,500 cash or a cashier's check. They want $8,500 for this. I don't know if the V6, a 4.9, that's a big ass V6, right? But a short bed, a regular bed, short bodied truck, that thing is actually very nice, man. That paint looks just stellar. Somebody did a really good job on it. It looks really good. It's very clean, nice tint. The American racing wheels are are very tasteful. The lights look good. I don't know. It looks good to me. I don't know if it's worth $8,500, but you definitely have something different that other people don't have. I can tell you that. I can tell you that for sure. And last but not least, guys, if you're looking for a cheap RV, they have them here, man. Look at this. $12,000. It's Jayco J-Flight. Electric jack, propane tanks, burner stove, sleeps 7. 7 people fit in this little ass thing? That is insane. No way. Huh. Well, what do you guys think about this one? 12 grand? I don't know. It looks pretty good. Definitely would get a roof inspection though, if that was me. But yeah, interesting. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. I'm sorry I had to cut it off. It's literally 118 degrees out here right now. 118 right now at Nellis. And the camera is just not having it. The camera is telling me to go eat all the D's. But I was able to get that video in. Hopefully it comes out good in post and you guys got to see all of those. There are some decent deals. That Impala and that Corvette, that's the kind of stuff I want to see on a military lot walk around. I want to see that those classic cars, and these are guys that are probably retired, maybe had it their whole military career, they're deployed a lot, that's why I don't have a ton of miles on it, and then they get home and they're like, nah, I want to get a truck, I want to do something else. And now they have a very low mile, really great example of that 96 Impala and that Corvette. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. I'm going to post this on TK's Garage and TK's Garage 2. Make sure to go subscribe to TK's Garage 2 if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys very soon on the next one.